Hi, I'm Marine de Souter from Smart, and this is our Tech Talk. Who's Smart? Smart is a leading independent ad tech platform which has been built to serve interests of both buyers and publishers. Thanks to our technology, brands can achieve greater ad efficiency and publishers can act with certainty and have the controls they need to manage all types of transactions, format, audience data, and actually, in the end, deliver true value path optimization to brands. Smart is historically an ad server. We were born within a premium publisher about 15 years ago. Then we evolved into an SSP, and right now we are expanding to the buy side of our business with Smart Buyer Connect. In terms of company, we are more than 200 employees worldwide within 12 offices, and we monetize more than 50,000 apps on site. So on my side, at Smart, I'm a product marketing lead for the Demand product line, and I've been at Smart for 9 years. I occupied several positions before having this one. Now I'm responsible for the go-to-market strategy of our Demand products, and overall, I'm in charge of the communication to programmatic buyers we are working with. Programmatic market is facing what we call at Smart a value erosion crisis. The publisher and the buyer, they are far from each other because of multiple technology, a lot of intermediaries, header bidding, server-side bidding. It actually created a huge complexity, and it resulted in a lot of pain points for both sides of the ecosystem. And if we think at the buyer side, they are having some problem of low performances, fraud, lack of transparency and accountability. In the end, they are kind of lacking of trust in this ecosystem. One answer for this market problem is a shift to more direct transactions, but shifting to direct transaction also means more difficult operations for buyers, and this is what we are actually trying to solve. This year, 2020, more than half of the programmatic spend are now through direct transaction. This is a figure from eMarketer, and it clearly shows that there is a tipping point regarding the way transactions are managed. Then it's interesting to look at the figures around the ad challenges for programmatic buyers. So 52% of buyers have trouble targeting the right audience. So it's still a problem in the market today. And 45% of them are unable to reach the desired performance goals. So we are going to talk today about our technology, Smart Buyer Connect. It's a buy-side platform, and we actually call it SBC. How we position SBC? It's a direct-first platform for buyers, aiming at providing more direct access to smart inventory, as well as facilitating greatly direct buying. SBC is made for programmatic buyers. It is suited for different types of buyers. The first one, I would say, is Big Six agency, who are willing to better understand what Smart can offer to them in terms of inventory and audience. They have access to our real-time media planning solution. They can create cross-publisher auction packages, and they could also potentially, because we have a data marketplace, onboard their first-party data directly at the SSP level. The second target we can have for SBC is independent trading desk or managed service DSP. Their need is clearly to have performing ad campaigns, and with SBC they will get a lot of advantages to make it easier to create auction packages with advanced targeting and actually then reach their expected ROI. Then we have independent trading desk or managed DSPs that are clearly very interested to work with us thanks to SBC. They have clearly the same needs than the Big Six agencies. They are looking for performance, advanced targeting, have a full picture of what they can buy on Smart. They want to know the domains that are available to buy and what performance they can reach. On the managed DSP side, they will have a strong benefit in terms of reducing the infra cost, because when they apply the targeting on SBC, they will receive only the bid request that they are looking for, and it will save them a lot of infra costs on their DSP. Last, we can address specifically advertisers. They have limited resources or bandwidth to operate their campaigns, and with Smart Buyer Connect, it will be very easy for them to understand the inventory that is available on Smart and to create cross-publisher auction packages with the solution and benefit from a lot of time saved, and they will then be able to spend more time on other strategies. We have a suite of tools that clearly facilitates media trader lives in a direct first market. The first one is a real-time forecast that enables buyers to do efficient media planning. Thanks to this forecast, they will be able to know in real time the available inventory for different criteria. It can be the format, it can be the geo, it can be the devices and so on, so they will know clearly which inventory is available depending on their campaign strategy. From this forecast, which can also include advanced targeting like contextual targeting or audience targeting, then they will be able to create cross-publisher auction packages, fully custom, so they will set their targetings and they will be able to create directly a deal ID that they can use in their DSP. They also have a deal troubleshooting tool that will help them within this deal creation process to solve the potential issue they have in the setup. And last but not least, we are going to release later this year a way to buy directly on those auction packages. Right now, you create them on SBC and you activate them in your DSP. In the future, you will be able to buy them directly within SBC. I would say that the first one is ease of use. In just a few minutes, in a few clicks, the buyer can create their media plans, they can have the real-time forecast, they can create the packages and so on. And we made this platform very, very intuitive and easy to use for our customers. And this is what they like the most about our platform. The second one, that is also a very important USP in our ecosystem, is to provide advanced targeting. So we have audience targeting available, but we also provide a range of targeting that are not based on cookie. So we have our proprietary algorithm to enable semantic contextual targeting, viewability targeting, and completion targeting that clearly help buyers reach better campaign performance. Also within our data marketplace, we enable buyers to onboard their first-party data at the SSP level, which can clearly increase data matching and increase the reach overall, which can then be very easy to use within SBC. You onboard your data, you access the segments directly in SBC interface, and you can create your cross-publisher auction packages and buy them within your DSP. And then we have, as a last USP, the possibility to target exclusive formats. For example, parallax, interstitial. We know that it's not always easy to target those formats from a DSP. And with SBC, you can create your package based on those formats and buy it very easily. So let's have a look at Smart Buyer Connect. So here you can see it's an interface that is designed for media traders. We have three sections, one for media planning, one for deal management to operate the auction package you've created on the platform, and the last one, which is about deal health, to troubleshoot and monitor the deal you've created with Smart Buyer Connect. So we'll take a look at the media platform, at the media planning part. So here you can see several targeting options. First, we can select a period. So I have 7 days here. I can take 14 days for my demo. What we can see here is that the availability are updated in real time. I also have the average CPM. So this is based on the history of paid price on the publishers that are part of my selection. And I have other information around the creative sizes available, the devices, countries, and channels. I will select a country to start with. So we can do Spain, for example. And what I can see is that the publishers and domain have been updated for Spain, and I can see all the publishers available. And below the publisher, I will see the list of domains that are available for these particular publishers. I also have two flags, one which is auction package, which enables me to see which publishers are available for me to create an auction package. And I also have the PG flag, which enables me to know which publishers are doing programmatic guaranteed with Smart, and I can contact them directly to set up a PG deal with them. To create my auction package, I have two possibilities. I can select certain publishers, or I can leave it like this and select the whole. It will automatically select the whole inventory, which is better for the reach, of course. Then in the inventory part, I can select device or environment. So if we take this top, you can see again that the inventory is updated. I can select formats, display, video, or native, and also advanced formats. For example, we have video read, which is based on templates that Smart provides to its publishers. So it's a very easy way to create auction packages based on unique templates, ad templates that Smart is providing. Then we have another very interesting part, which is the data marketplace. In the data marketplace at Smart, we are providing several data points. We have audience data, so it's based on third-party data providers. I also have semantic contextual targeting, so this one is cookieless, and it's a solution provided by Smart, a proprietary solution that analyzes in real time the meaning of a page, so it's based on natural language processing. And you can see here a list of standard segments that you can target for your auction package. So I can select, for example, education, and it will automatically update the available inventory. I also have two performance targeting to improve the efficiency of my campaigns. Viewability targeting, for example, I can select 70% or more. And same for my video campaigns, I can select completion targeting. So from those targeting, I can directly create my deal, which is very, very easy. So here I just put a name. For my deal, I see the data fees. So I selected a segment for semantic, which is free, so I do not have to pay any data. And then there is a recommended bid value, which is a suggestion that Smart is providing to make sure you have a certain level of reach for your deal delivery. Then you can choose your buyer seat and you will create the deal. What is great is that you have the deal ID that you can copy-paste immediately in your DSP. We are DSP agnostic, so basically you can use this deal ID with every DSP. From there, you will see all your deals in this section. So the deal I've just created is here, and I can edit it, copy, delete, or monitor the health. So here I will show you how the deal health page works. And for that, I'm going to this other tab where I already have a deal which is running. And then in this page, you have all the details about your deal delivery, from the bid request to the delivery rate. And if you go down to the page, for each step of the delivery of the deal, you can see information, very useful information, about why your deal is not delivering properly. So this is it for the main features available in this platform. Now let's have a look at some customer success stories with SBC. So the first one I can talk about is an advertiser in Italy called Luisa Via Roma. They are a luxury fashion concept store, and they are looking to acquire new customer in Italy, in USA, and in the Middle East, and they are using SBC for now a few months. And first, what they like is really the usability of the platform. And they were super happy to achieve great results. One of the results is to achieve a better CPV. So they actually had a reduced CPV. Actually, they reduced by 5 the CPV for their video campaigns, which was really great for them. And they were also able to get a better viewability rate than what they had with other campaigns run with direct deals with publishers. So they were super happy. Another type of customer that we can mention here is a managed DSP in France that is specialized in drive-to store. On their side, they are doing the targeting at the SSP level to improve their infra cost. Actually, the fact that we are able to send them only the big requests that they are looking for is a huge advantage and saves them a lot of money in terms of infra, which is a very, very important factor for the ROI of the campaigns. On top of that, they achieve the viewability and the click-through rate they are looking for, which is also a very good KPI for them. So what does it bring overall to customers? What is the before and the after of this platform? I would say that for customers, the first great achievement is to be able to understand 100% of what's happening on smart inventory, which is a great asset when it comes to programmatic media buying. They also have price recommendation, which make it easier for them to define the price to best buy on the inventory. And also they will save a lot of time. They will apply all their targeting. They will know exactly the reach they can get for the inventory they are looking for. And thanks to that, that will enable them to run their campaign much more effectively right away. So SBC clearly sits at the SSP level in the MarTech stack. So as you can see here, SBC is an add-on to the SSP where you can view the available inventory, set your targeting, create your auction package, and with the deal ID for your auction package, you will put it on your DSP. And this is where there is a link between both sides. But so there is no connection between SBC and the DSP, no pipes, let's say, but there is a way to facilitate the transaction between the two platforms. If you are willing to get started with Smart Buyer Connect, it's pretty easy. You contact our sales team. If you're a programmatic buyer, they will be very happy to share with you an access to the platform. It's free of charge, and to get started and learn how to use it, of course, we can help you with a demo, but you will find it very easy and intuitive to understand all the features available in the platform. So this is it for the demonstration of Smart Buyer Connect. We hope you enjoy the demo and that you are now willing to get your access. So feel free to contact us and have a very good day. Thank you very much.